Tariffs. The one word dominating every newscast every single day. And quite frankly, all the talk is very confusing. The Sunset Auto family would like to make it all really easy to understand. If you think you may be shopping for a vehicle sometime in the next 6 or 7 years or so, this commercial is just for you. Not one new or used vehicle in stock at any Sunset dealership has been affected by tariffs, not by 1 penny. And these vehicles will never be affected, period. And since tariffs are not going away, here are 2 new words to take any worry away, at least when it comes to automobiles. Payment relief. In cooperation with Sound Credit Union, the Sunset Auto family is offering quite possibly the best financing program anywhere. Ready? How does 4.99% for 72 months sound on both new and used vehicles, 2015 and newer? Plus no payments for 90 days. Absolutely unprecedented. When it comes to tariffs, think payment relief and lock in a low financing rate on a vehicle with warranty protection for life and oil changes for life. You just get more at Sunset. And people do like that.